International Himalayan Festival is a festive event that is held every year in the month of December in Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh to commemorate the conferment of the Nobel Peace Prize on His Holiness the Dalai Lama. The Himalayan Festival is organized by Indo-Tibetan Friendship Association, the largest and the longest-serving Tibet support group based in Dharamshala. This year, the 25th Silver Jubilee celebration of the Himalayan Festival saw a celebration of Tibetan and Himalayan culture at the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts with the presence of Central Tibetan Administration Si Kyong and the Speaker of the Tibetan Parliament in exile. Today, we have Mr. Ajit Nehria, President of Indo-Tibetan Friendship Association, in our studio to talk more about the background of the festival and its significance. Tashdile Ajit Nehria ji.
Tashdile namaskar.
First of all, can you give us a brief introduction of the Indo-Tibetan Friendship Association?
The Indo-Tibetan Friendship Association Dharamshala was formed in 1995. It was the conferment of Nobel Peace Prize on His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama that we thought that the local people got involved and we thought that we should be part of it because of the conferment of Nobel Peace Prize on His Holiness. It was a thing worldwide known. So because of being a local from this area, some of the local people, they got together and thought that we should form an association. We should be dealing with the Tibetan people, and this association was formed basically to bring about better relations between the two communities who are living here, the Indian community and the Tibetan community, to have better relations between these two communities and to exchange their cultural heritage, and to be part of each other, to be present in each other's festivals, and other special occasions, That's how this association was formed.
Well, can you tell us how did the International Himalayan Festival came about?
The International Himalayan Festival was, just to commemorate the conferment of Nobel Peace Prize on His Holiness. Because there was no platform locally available here,
Right.
And this association thought that we should celebrate this special occasion, every year. So in the very beginning in 1995, we started this festival, and we got teams across the country. It used to be called International Himalayan Festival.
Okay.
And the Tibetan government in exile were supporting us, and the Department of Tourism, Government of Himachal Pradesh was supporting us, and we used to celebrate this in a very big way, because to do any event, it involves funds, and the Himachal government was supporting in a very big way for this festival. So this is how we got it started off, just to commemorate the conferment of Nobel Peace Prize on His Holiness.
What happens at the festival and what kind of awareness is created through the festival?
The festival is, it is to exchange the cultural, performances of both the communities, We get people from North India, If you see, if you go beyond this district, district Kangra, the Indian people merely have a knowledge about the Tibetan culture, Tibetan
Right.
people, and how this Tibetan government in exile is functioning, Just to create an awareness how the Tibetan people live here, what is their lifestyle, how do they function, how does the government function here, And just to highlight that, we get people from across the states like Punjab, Haryana, J&K, Uttarakhand, and people come and they show their cultural, and they get to know the Tibetan culture. We have cultural performances from the Tibetan side as well in the festival, especially from the Tibetan Institute of Performing Arts.
Yes.
They have very good artists,
Right.
and they have really preserved the Tibetan culture, And this is the important thing about this festival is to know each other, to know about the Tibetan people, Tibetan culture, and their way of living, So people when they visit this area, they really get surprised that this is how they function it. And the main reason to have this festival is to commemorate the conferment of Nobel Peace Prize. But apart from that, just to bring awareness about the Tibetan community, their freedom struggle, how they are working for their freedom, So this is the highlight of the event,
So what is the significance of holding such events, and For the past 25 years of it being held, what kind of impact do you think it has made in the community?
Well, I think people from different communities, like Indian communities and the Tibetan community, they have known each other through this festival. Because until and unless you get to know each other, you don't have any knowledge about their existence. The significance of this festival is, of course, the conferment of the Nobel Peace Prize on His Holiness. Just to commemorate that, just to be part of that, happiness that Tibetans enjoyed when His Holiness was conferred Nobel Peace Prize. And I think conferment of Nobel Peace Prize on His Holiness was not only a matter of pride for Tibetans or Indians or other people across the world, but I think it was a pride for the Peace Prize itself, that His Holiness was conferred this prize, So the impact is very large of this festival. People, they come here, they visit the area, they stay here for 3-4 days. They get involved with Tibetan people, and they know about their lifestyle and their way of living and their culture and everything.
So last but not the least, may I ask you, what future plans do you have with the International Himalayan Festival?
The future plan, you see, we could not held this festival last year because of the COVID pandemic, And even this year, we were not sure whether we will be able to hold this or not. But since it was 25th year, so we had to do it in some way or the other. And it was decided very late, that we will be organizing this festival because of the COVID-19 protocols. We have to follow everything from the which are being issued from the government from time to time. So in the coming years, I hope that we will be doing this festival on a larger scale. We used to get cultural teams from across the country, like from Russia, Bhutan, Nepal, and but now for last few years we have been doing this locally, like from North India and local Tibetan people and the local from students in the colleges, different colleges. But definitely, hopefully, we will do it on a bigger scales, and we will. The main reason, this festival is important for everyone. Everyone is to bring awareness about this Tibetan freedom struggle. If you talk about people after this district, beyond this district, people hardly know about the Tibetan people. I have been talking to one of the principal of the local school, that I want the students to come and see how this Tibetan government in exile functions. And we had an audience with the Honorable Sikyong last month, and he also expressed that the ITFA should, get involved in such events where we organize special events for local school going children from Indian schools to bring them to the parliament and show them how the government functions, So we will be definitely getting involved in such activities in future, and through this festival, I think we will be getting more people involved in this festival to bring about the awareness about the Tibetan freedom struggle. That will be our main motive for this festival. That's what we are planning in future.
Well, thank you so much for taking out your time with us today. Thank you.
Thank you for having me here. It was an honor for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tashtale, thank you.
So that was Mr. Ajit Nehria, the president of Indo-Tibetan Friendship Association, Dharamshala, on International Himalayan Festival. I hope today's episode was an informative one. Thank you for watching Tibet TV.